Hey, what's up everybody? Alright, I wanted to do a quick test. When I was riding my bike the other time, doing like going pretty quick, I wanted to test out if this dead cat that's glued on here. So right now there's a lot of wind. I feel like I have to yell at you because there's so much wind in my ear. But what I'm looking to find out is if blocking this with the dead cat and then an extra muff on the bottom. I'll show you a picture of what I'm talking about here. Okay, so just for reference here, this is how we modified our GoPro Hero 8 Black. Basically just gluing a wind muff on here on the sides and over the actual microphone. So there's a microphone right here, and then there's a microphone on the side here. And then there's also a microphone underneath here too, so I put another fuzz thing there too. This is kind of like a microphone muff here. It's like a pop filter, but it also helps with wind too. So this is what you've heard all of the audio on previously when we've talked about. This is the GoPro Hero Black 8 Black, and now we're going with a bare minimum with all of the stuff not on here. So I have two GoPros and we're just going to take video with nothing on here and see how that sounds with wind on, auto, and then off. Blocks out all the wind. So facing me, what does that sound like? And then I'm gonna turn you around. There's a lot less wind than there was previously, but yeah, how does the wind sound now? A little more windy now. But yeah, there's a dead cat over the front, and then I covered it with another like piece of foam in the back. Just to see if that knocks out some of the wind noise, because it's pretty bad before. Then we'll show you back to me and see how it's going. Do a little arrow position. Okay. So now we are on the GoPro Hero Black, and the wind mode is on, and this is the GoPro with nothing on it, as I mentioned. We're gonna also compare this to a super windy right now, obviously facing me. I'm gonna flip you over, face the other side, see how the wind is too. Still pretty windy here. But yeah, want to see what that wind is like. Obviously don't want to bring like, you know, you want this to be the camera that can shoot your everyday things. Don't really want to have to switch it on and off wind mode, but we're gonna switch over to that right now. Actually, we've now switched over to auto mode, and my experience previously with auto mode is not that great. Not too windy right now, but obviously we're riding 10-15 miles an hour on a bike, so want to see what this is like. We'll flip you over in a second here too. Not super windy at all, but when we switch directions we'll see what that's like. All right, more winds this way. See what it sounds like here. Flip you around, see what it sounds like here. How does that sound? Pretty windy here. And then we'll switch you on to off mode. We have turned this off again. So wind mode is now off. It's not too windy right now, but let's get to a little bit faster here. See if we can get that wind noise. It's a little bit better. And this is what it's like not facing me. All right, so now we are on the Canon SL2, and this is with the Rode Video Micro and the wind muff, or the dead cat, on the Rode Video Micro. So this is obviously a lot more robust. I have the 10 to 18 millimeter lens on here, and obviously this is like maybe double or triple the weight, so not something I'd want to do like when I'm riding the bike or anything like that. But this is all the way at 10 millimeters, and this is like me trying to balance the bike and balance the camera in my hand. So I'm sure this looks like ridiculous while these cars are passing me, but this is the Rode Video Micro is a cardioid pattern, so it won't pick up things in the front of me right now. So it'll only pick up directionally. Woo, sharp turn. All right, let's try to go a little bit faster. All right, so now it's pretty windy. This dead cat on here is pretty big, so. All right, we're gonna flip you around. See what that sounds like. Not too windy right now, but probably won't pick up a lot of what my voice, because the mic is not facing me. Across the streets. Use the crosswalk, Derrick. Oh, it's so hard to control the bike with this. All right, they're probably looking at me again like I'm ridiculous, which certainly is. We'll see what the results are in these windy conditions. Anyways, that's all she wrote for this. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I will see you in the next video.